Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this $4,000 mirror. I absolutely loved the look of it. I thought it would be amazing in my bedroom, but obviously I was not willing to pay that price. Recreating it was a lot easier than you may think, and I'm going to show you guys the entire process start to finish. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I have a lot of home decor videos on my channel, and several of them are linked in the description box for you. Also, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I have been posting so many videos lately, and I would absolutely love to have you. And let's get started. I'm going to begin by sharing the coffee table in my living room because this is actually what inspired the entire project. I'm just obsessed with this. I love how right under the glass it has a butterfly, almost like a leaf-like shape, and it does come in a console table, side tables, and a desk, so I will link those in the description box, but it just has such a feminine and artistic feel to it, and I just think it's really cool, so I wanted to recreate something similar. I knew I definitely wanted a round mirror because everything in my bedroom is square. The bed obviously, and the nightstands and the dresser, it's all square, so I really wanted something round to break it up. I found this mirror at Target. It was only $50 for this size and like this style. I actually think that was a really good price. And for the detailing, it was actually a lot harder than I thought it would be to find something. I went to a few different stores with absolutely no luck, so I decided to go with a greenery, and I did a few coats of paint on either side because I wanted them to seem a little bit thicker and weightier. I wanted them to definitely resemble a metal similar to the coffee table and just like feel heavier. I think a few coats of paint definitely did the trick, and it just really gave them the feel that I wanted. For the paint, I'm using one I have used in a million videos on my channel. I used it when I showed you guys how I made the menus at my wedding, when I redid a dresser, and just like a million more videos, so I definitely recommend it. Hopefully I can find it online for you, and it's just like the best. I'm so sad that I've run out of it. I also painted the mirror the same color as the leaves, and this is what just really ties everything all together, and it gives it a higher end feel. It definitely seems like I purchased it this way and not like it was a project because it all matches seamlessly. And before I secure anything, I like to lay it out and get a feel for how it's going to look, because of course once something is secured, it's a lot harder to go backwards. And I left a few spaces between all of the bunches. Some are larger than others, some are like fuller than others, and all of that. I definitely wanted an abstract style because I thought it felt a little more high-end and a little more modern. And to secure everything, I'm using a hot glue gun. I feel like people really don't use these that often, but I love them. I think they're very forgiving because you always have a few seconds to slide things around before it's totally set. I know pulling away the strands as you go can be a little annoying, but I think it's totally worth it. Once everything was secured, I went back in with the gold paint and added extra on top of some of the leaves and on the edges. It really gives it that textured foiled effect, so that is a big hack for you guys. Definitely steps things up. It looks a little more expensive and just so cool, so do that. And that really is it, you guys. This one is so easy, but it makes a huge difference. I think adding a mirror in a bedroom, it just makes it feel so much larger and brighter and airy. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any requests for future videos, then write a comment. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!